MashaAllah. MashaAllah means as God wills, and it's what we say, beseeching God, passionately petitioning God to protect Thomas and to protect Thomas's family. And so we all say that, asking God to imbue blessings in everything that Thomas does, every step of the journey, in his career, in his education, in his family, and otherwise. And I want to tell you, Aunt Lynn and Uncle Richard and Lucy, that if Thomas does this Islam thing right, then you will see him to be a better son and a better brother. And if you don't see him to be a better son and a better brother, come tell me. And if you see anything weird, then he's not doing Islam correctly. I'm serious, I mean that. Because you can be a beautiful Muslim and a beautiful American. And it's very possible. Right? And so anything that you see, Thomas hopefully is a man of judgment and good character and wisdom. You can have that, and we're here to facilitate. Because we are a part of a human family, and we only want you to be a happier mother, and for you to be a happier father and a happier sister. And we mean that. And that's real. We want happiness for all of you. And so this is a magnanimous moment. We go on our journeys in life where we have intellectual awakenings and emotional awakenings and finally spiritual awakenings. And this is a moment, it's very simple. Thomas has studied Islam. He knows what this moment means. He knows that he's affirming in his heart that there is no God worthy, no one worthy of worship except Allah, which is the Arabic word for God, and that the final messenger that God sent was Muhammad, peace be upon him. And so we're going to say it in English and in Arabic, and then celebrate, and then get some dinner, because we haven't eaten for 16 hours. Good time to take your shahada. Start the fasting. But step by step, this is coming into Islam is not an event. It's a process. It's not a sprint. It's a marathon. And we're here to give you water, Gatorade, and we're here to cheer you up, and make it beautiful. Hopefully play some music on the side while you're running that marathon. Make it a beautiful journey. Ameen.
Ameen.
Any questions? Anything? Any comments? You guys okay?
We already see the positive things that Islam has brought to
Uncle Richard says he already sees the positive things that Islam has brought to his life. Allahu Akbar. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for sharing. Thomas, hold your nose in. Repeat after me. We'll do it in English, and we'll do it in Arabic 3 times. I bear witness
and I testify
that there is no one worthy of worship except Allah, and that Muhammad is the final messenger of Allah. I bear witness that there is no one worthy of worship except God. And Muhammad is the final messenger of God. Now in Arabic, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Second time. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Third time. Feel free to join in. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar.
ولله الحمد الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله الله أكبر الله أكبر ولله الحمد. Dear Lord God, we turn to you and we ask you to accept this moment from us. Ameen.
Ameen.
We ask you to bless Thomas in this moment, Ya Allah. We ask you to bless his family, to bless his mother, to bless his father, to bless his sister, to bless his future family, and to grant him wisdom, to gift him with wisdom, and to get him closer to you with gifts and not through texts. And we ask you to make him a beacon of light for humanity. And that is not difficult for you. You say be and it is. We thank you for the enormous blessings and endless, numerous blessings that we have. And we ask you to continue to shower us with blessings. We ask you to make Thomas a saint and a scholar, and to bless him in every aspect of his life, and to surround him with good people and beautiful people. And we ask you, Ya Allah, to gather all of us in your heaven. We know that your heaven is real. We know that you are real. No matter what anyone says, no matter which way, we acknowledge your existence and the reality of your being. And you are the one and the only God, the one and the only Creator. And we ask you to gather all of us in your heaven without judgment. Ameen, Ameen, Ameen. And we conclude with the recitation of the first chapter of the Quran together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله رب العالمين. الرحمن الرحيم. مالك يوم الدين. إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين. اهدنا الصراط المستقيم. صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. آمين. Thomas, if I can say anything, Uncle Richard, and Lynn, Lucy, as you wish. You don't have to, whatever you feel.
No one's hungry,
Don't worry, no one's hungry. Take your time.
I'll just be short. I want to thank everyone here for sharing this moment with us. It's really special and really meaningful. And thank you for the many service, and thank you so much for hosting this event.
Just want to remind you that at this moment we believe in what the Prophet told us, that if you ever committed any sin or mistake, you have been clean, you have a clean slate. The day, like the day you were born from your mother's womb. Sinless. And this is a special moment. We ask you to pray for all of us tonight, inshallah. So congratulations. And thank you everyone. Enjoy your meal, inshallah.